And if when all a vigil keep, the west's asleep, the west's asleep, alas and well may Erin weep, when Connacht lies in slumber deep, where lake and plain smile fair and free, mid rocks their guardian chivalry sing, oh, let manly liberty from crashing wind and dashing sea. And often in O'Connor's van to triumph dashed each Connacht clan, and fleet as deer the Normans ran through Cushleave Pass and Ardrahan, and later times saw deeds as brave, and rocks now guard Clan Rickard's grave, sing, oh, they died their lands to save at Aughrim slopes and Shannon's way. And if when all a vigil keep, the west's asleep, the west's asleep, alas and well may Erin weep, when Connacht lies in slumber deep. But hark a voice like thunder spake, the west's awake, the west's awake, sing, oh, hurrah, let England wake, we'll watch till death for Erin's sake.